Good morning, class 10. Welcome all of you in this period. Mathematics, chapter 15, Probability. This is the last chapter. Probability means possibility. Number of events in our life in which we are not sure about the happening or not happening. So probability means this is an important branch of mathematics. This is a new part of maths. Suppose if you toss a coin, so there will be two possibilities. Either it will be head or it will be tail. Suppose if you are throwing a die, so there are 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only one, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 will be on the upper surface. So probability means ये formula है number probability of event is equal to number of event upon number of sample. Sample means इसको इस formula को ऐसे भी हम मालूम करते हैं. Probability is equal to number of favorable outcome upon number of total outcome. So in case of coin, if you are tossing a coin, so how many total outcome? Maybe head, maybe tail. So head and tail. So head or tail. So if you toss a coin, favorable outcome if head, so head will be only 1 and this will be 2. 1 upon 2. इसका मतलब है कि 1 is the favorable. Favorable means either it will be head or it will be tail. And total outcome 2. If you toss 2 coins at same time, so what will be the possible? H, T, either both will be head, both will be tail. First head, tail, second head, first head, second tail. So these are the favorable. Either head, the only head, so what will be the answer? Only head means favorable will be 1 and total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4. Only tail, so 1 by 4. At least one tail, at least. So at least means 1, 2, यहाँ कम से कम तो यहाँ भी 1 t है, यानी 3 by 4. 3 by 4 will be the probability. So probability means possibility. Suppose the sky is overcast, so you can prediction, it may rain or it may not rain. Suppose if you are participating in an event, you may win the competition or you can lose. So these are the possibilities. इसी को हम probability बोलते हैं. So this is the formula, probability of event, number of event, or you can say number of favorable outcome. And this is number of sample means total outcome. As I told you, if you toss a coin, so there will be 2 outcomes, head and tail. So this will be denominator 2. And if you are finding what is the probability of only head, so 1 by 2. What is the probability of tail, so 1 by 2. If you toss 2 coins, so these are the total outcome, either head or tail head, head tail. So these are the total outcome 4. And if you have to find, question is What is the probability of only head? Only head 1 by 4. Only tail 1 by 4. At least one head. तो at least one head ये भी आ जाएगा 1, 2, 3, 3 by 4. At least one tail 1, 2, 3, 3 by 4. And sum of probabilities of event and not event, this is equal to 1. And some are impossible events. Suppose if you are throwing a dice, so what is the probability of the number 7 which comes on the upper surface? So no possibility. So this is called 0. So impossible event का probability क्या होता है 0 and sure event की probability 1. And this probability is always greater or equal to 0 but less or equal to 1. And the probability of any event may be between 0 and 1, including 0 and including 1. So these are very important, and therefore now you come to the question. These are the formulas, a very simple chapter, and you will try to solve. And now you see one exercise 15, question number 1. Question number 1, the probability of event, so this will be n plus not e means not event is equal to 1. The probability of event that cannot happen, that is 0, and such event is called impossible event. The probability of event that certain to happen, sure event, and such event is called the probability है 1, and this type of event is called sure event. Number 2, a driver attempts to start a car, the car starts or does not start. So what is the equally likely? Equally likely means, so in this case, if a driver tries to start a car, so it is not confirmed each outcome will be equal. Either suppose a driver tried to start 10 times, so we cannot say that 5 times the car will start, 5 times will not start the car. It is not, we don't know earlier. So it is not justified, so it is not equally likely outcome. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. In basketball game, if a player tries to shoot the basket, so she shoots or misses the shot. So in this case also, we are not sure, we are not justified that each outcome will be equally likely. So इस तरह से a baby is born, it is boy or girl. In this statement, we are sure. We know in advance there are only 2 possibilities, boys or girl. So it is likely outcome. तो इस तरह से हम इसको बनाते हैं. और उसके बाद देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Probability of event is 0.05. What is the probability of not event? तो मैंने कहा the sum is 1. इसको इस तरह से हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Probability of event plus probability of not event is equal to 1. Probability of event is 0.05 plus probability of event not event is equal to 1. So probability of not event is equal to 1 minus 0.05. This means 0.95. तो इस तरह से इसको हम बनाते हैं. One question I explained. Question number 6. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only. Now you see question number 8. The bag contains 3 red balls. Red ball, how much? How many? Red ball 3, black balls 5. So total balls कितने हो गए? Total number of balls. Total number of balls. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is the total income, total outcome, you can say. Total outcome. इसको हम sample में बोलते हैं. Like this, the NS is equal to 8. Now you see what is the number of events. निकालना क्या है कि first में है कि red ball. तो probability of red ball, probability of red ball. Red ball probability कितना है? Red ball number 3. So 3 is this is any. So number of event कितना? 3. So probability of event PE is equal to, you write the formula any by NS means 3 by 8. इस तरह से. And probability of black ball, तो उसी तरह से इसको भी निकाल लेंगे. Not red. Not red का मतलब हुआ black ball, only 2 types of ball. So probability of not red means black. तो ये भी हो जाएगा N upon NS. Sample will be same 8, and number of not red means number of black ball 5 by 8. So which 2 are the answers? So you will try to solve 15.1, and then I will explain more question. So this is the chapter of probability. Probability 5 or 6 mark question is in the board examination. So probability means possibility. You can understand with the word possibility. Number of events, number of activities in our life. In those cases, we are not sure. We can only predict. We can only guess. And again, number of examples I have given you. Suppose if you are there are 52 playing cards, and if you take one of the card, so what is the probability? The probability may be red. I will explain 2 types of cards in playing cards, black and red. Black 26 cards and red 26. So total number of cards 52. I will explain this type of question next time. But today you see the probability, the formula is any number of event is equal to probability of any event is total outcome, number of available outcome upon number of total outcome. So that's all for today. We will try to solve. Thank you.